Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a lot I bought on eBay of 8 Egyptian coins, and I paid a total of $6.66 for 8 assorted Egyptian coins. So let's open this one up, see what we got here. Well, that's a very interesting way to ship them. Wrapped up in aluminum foil. That's definitely different. Some of these are 1 pound coins. I have to see what these are. Okay, I've broken down all the coins here, and so far we have a 10 Kirsch, 1972, worth about $1, right here. A 10 Kirsch worth 1967, worth about 70 cents. This one isn't even an Egyptian coin, it's a Sudanese coin. 5 milliams, 1972. It's worth $1. One side of it's in really good shape. 1 Kirsch, 1984, 55 cents. Down on the lower level here we have a 5 Kirsch, 1984, worth 50 cents. Another 5 Kirsch, 1984, but a different pattern on the back, worth 50 cents also. A 10 milliams, 1958. That coin's worth $2. And a 10 milliams, 1973. It's worth 50 cents. So overall, our total for that entire coin lot is $6.75, and I paid $6.66. So overall, not a great gain, but those are some Egyptian coins I didn't have. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe.